Your Excellency, Mr. Prime Minister, first of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to you, Mr. Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan, for your kind invitation to pay a state visit to Pakistan. I also wish to convey my heartfelt appreciation to the friendly people of Pakistan for their warm hospitality extended to the Kazakh delegation. It's my great pleasure to visit Pakistan, our brotherly nation with a rich history, vibrant culture, and a well-established standing on the international stage, and important partner of Kazakhstan in South Asia and beyond. Our peoples are united by centuries-old ties rooted in the legacy of the Great Silk Road, as well as by deep cultural and spiritual affinity. Our nations share common values, traditions, and joint aspirations for the future. Our constructive political dialogue and enduring economic relations are underpinned by regular engagement of governments and business communities. Today, together with the esteemed Prime Minister, we signed a historic document, the Joint Declaration on Establishing Strategic Partnership between Kazakhstan and Pakistan. By elevating our relations to a new level, we open up immense opportunities to engage across full spectrum of bilateral and multilateral agenda. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif for his significant, decisive contribution to deepening friendly relations and mutually beneficial cooperation between our countries. Mr. Sharif is widely recognized as a wise and visionary leader who is resolutely steering his country forward. Thanks to his balanced and forward-looking policies, Islamabad's regional and global standing continues to grow. Last year, Pakistan was elected as a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council. Its constructive and responsible steps contribute meaningfully to strengthening peace and stability in the region. Today, Pakistan possesses strong economic potential, well-developed industrial capacity, and extensive transit and transport capabilities. Its agricultural, light industry, and medical products are widely represented in international markets. The dynamic development of Pakistan's defense industry is also well recognized globally. We sincerely welcome and take pride in every achievement of the brotherly Pakistani people across various sectors. We just held a very substantive and productive talks with Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. This afternoon, I will also have the privilege of meeting with the President of Pakistan, His Excellency Mr. Asif Ali Zardari. Important intergovernmental documents were adopted, focusing on result-oriented engagement across full bilateral spectrum. We thoroughly discussed trade, transport and logistics, industry, energy, information, technologies, as well as cultural and humanitarian cooperation. Trade and economic interaction are gaining new momentum. Last year, bilateral trade doubled compared to the previous year. The roadmap for trade and economic cooperation is being effectively implemented. We agreed to take concrete measures to further increase trade volume with ambitious yet achievable target of reaching $1 billion in the near future. emphasized the importance of creating favorable conditions to intensify cooperation between our business communities. Particular priority will be given to transport and logistics projects aimed at expanding trade flows. Prime Minister shared his vision of Pakistan's increasing role in transit and logistics, which might offer us alternative access to international markets. In this context, we discussed the capabilities of Pakistan's ports of Karachi and Gwadar. As one of the priority issues, we addressed the development of the Trans-Caspian transport corridor and transit routes passing through Afghanistan. In addition, we agreed to explore the possibility of resuming direct air connections between our countries, a move critical for driving both business and tourism. In the energy sector, we focused on opportunities for implementing joint projects as well as exchanged views on the prospects of Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India Tapi gas pipeline. We also signed vital agreements in the agricultural sector, paving the way to expanded trade and establishing joint production facilities. Both countries possess substantial industrial capabilities. I invited Pakistani companies to establish production facilities in Kazakhstan aimed at manufacturing goods. Currently, there is a strong interest in agricultural processing, pharmaceuticals, and construction materials. We also agreed to expand mutually beneficial cooperation in the defense industry. Cooperation between our security and law enforcement agencies has been developing dynamically in recent years. During the negotiations, we emphasized the strategic importance of artificial intelligence and digital technologies, especially for economic growth. We confirmed our readiness to work jointly in this field. Pakistan is one of the world's leaders in Islamic finance. The Astana International Financial Center has created all necessary conditions for the development of halal finance in the Eurasian space. Pakistani financial institutions can effectively utilize these opportunities. We also focused on strengthening investment cooperation. In this regard, the joint investment platform established today by Samruk Kazana and the Fauji Foundation will explore concrete investment projects. Overall, we are ready to provide favorable conditions for Pakistani investors in Kazakhstan. Today, we will also participate in the Kazakhstan-Pakistan Business Forum. More than 250 companies from both countries will come together and sign a number of commercial agreements. I am confident that this important event will unlock untapped potential and trade, economic, and investment relations. We also discussed the development of cultural and humanitarian cooperation institutions among Pakistani youth continues to grow. Currently, more than 1,000 of Pakistani students are studying in Kazakhstan in various fields. We agreed to further foster cooperation in science and education. The Al-Farabi, Satpaiv, and Yasawi centers opened today at universities in Islamabad will contribute to deepening academic and educational ties between our countries. Strengthening cooperation in healthcare and sports is also important, and today we inaugurated the Kazakhstan-Pakistan Dostikh Sports Complex. This center will offer training in traditional Kazakh sports such as Kazakh Kurese and Togus Kumalak, as well as chess, boxing, and mixed martial arts. We also adopted programs for holding cultural and sport events on a regular basis, which I believe will advance people-to-people's ties. Taking this opportunity, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif for his support of bilateral, cultural, and humanitarian activities and the genuine dedication to fostering people-to-people ties. Today, we also exchange views on international and regional issues with a focus on joint efforts to advance peace and security. We expressed concern over ongoing conflicts around the world. Our positions on many pressing issues are similar. We believe that any conflict must be resolved through dialogue and diplomatic means. The principles of the United Nations Charter and the international law should always prevail and must be upheld. In this kind of geopolitical environment, mutual support and consultations within multilateral organizations are particularly important. Pakistan has consistently supported Kazakhstan's initiatives within the Conference on Interaction and Confidence-Building Measures in Asia, for which we are sincerely grateful. We also discussed concrete steps towards promoting global peace and stability. In this regard, today we signed an intergovernmental memorandum on joint participation in United Nations peacekeeping missions. This document lays a solid basis for expanding our partnership in international peacekeeping efforts. Distinguished participants, dear friends, brothers, today's visit marks a new beginning in the history of Kazakh-Pakistani relations. I am confident that the established strategic partnership and all the agreements we reached today will serve the best interests of our nations. May the bonds of friendship between our brotherly peoples remain strong, enduring, and forward-looking. And I look forward to seeing and to hosting a state visit of my brother, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Shehbaz Sharif, later this year. Thank you.